Good morning. We have left for airport. Nisha is putting her bags behind.
Did you take a shower in the morning?
Yes.
No way you did that.
I woke up, I showered, I did my makeup.
And I
did my
haven't slept
hair.
all night. Difference between two kinds of people.
Today is the day that we reach Bangalore.
We leave for Bangalore before we reach.
Yeah, we leave for Bangalore, we reach Bangalore and we have a chill day. Our retreat starts from tomorrow. Right. It's raining outside and we are waiting to board our flight. It's 7:21 and we were supposed to board at 7:10. So let's see how much time more do we have to wait.
अपना सामान सामने वाली सीट के नीचे या ऊपर बने सामान
Let me show you guys where I'm staying for my 5 days meditation retreat. Helen.
We'll also do yoga though.
Yeah.
We'll do yoga, we'll go to the pool, we'll go to the spa, we'll also go Sufi night. And there's so many activities planned, to be honest, and it's gonna be really fun.
My time, messing my life, swear I don't mind. Say that you'll stay, holding me close, swear it's alright.
I have the room key.
Yes. We're really excited to go
Yeah.
inside and show you guys how it's gonna look. It's gonna be mad good. I know for a fact.
Where's your vlog camera?
It's in my bag. I should be on it right now.
Let's go to our rooms.
I don't think I'm gonna vlog after vlogging because I'm not in the zone today.
This is the view and we are on the first floor and this is our room. Let me show you guys the room. This is the washroom and the bedroom. This is Nisha checking out the place. Nisha, can you open this?
Yes. A beautiful balcony, guys.
Ooh, wow.
Not pretty.
Love it. This is the most beautiful place that I've been to. So pretty. Very cute room. And I love this mat thing over here on the wall. I think I'm going to use this concept in my bedroom as well.
Will you?
Wow. I already love it here. And it's just been not even an hour. But I'm sure that I will be loving it here. बहुत मजा आने वाला है. So
YouTube ब्लॉग
yeah.
जाते
सीधे जंगल में लेपर्ड्स को देखते हैं.
भैया इसको चलाना कैसे गैर वाला
बोलो रोकेंगे. नहीं ज़ेंगार इधर 2 मिनट आगे ले.
Wow.
ठीक है रुको.
Wow, this looks so cool. This is the meditation spot that we are seeing over here.
अरे रुको. Good carry you guys. And on the right side, if you see the organic farm, which I will show you.
कितने प्यारे लग रहे हैं. क्या खा रही है?
मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पर.
फुल्का? यस. इसमें घी लगा के मिलेगा क्या?
जी मैम.
हाँ तो इसमें खाली घी लगा देना. अच्छा वहाँ पे है? ओके. क्या है खाने में?
लजीज पनीर मखनी दीवानी हंडी,
Too many सब्जीज.
प्याजा.
सही है, सही है. हम खेलने ऊनो. और कौन हारने वाला है? मुझे लगता है ये.
नहीं, I won't lose.
And he's a cheater.
Oh yeah.
He's a cheater.
हारते तो वैसे ही बोलते थे, जीत रहा था फिर मैं.
मॉर्निंग. आज है हमारा फर्स्ट डे फॉर द रिट्रीट एंड हम लोग ब्रेकफास्ट करने जा रहे हैं अभी.
Good morning, guys.
लेट मी टेक यू थ्रू माई डे टुडे. आज का क्या प्लान्स है? आई विल हैव टू चेक इन द आइटनरी. फॉर नाउ आई जस्ट नो दैट वी आर गेटिंग ब्रेकफास्ट एंड देन सम वर्क. दैट्स इट. आई लव आवर रिसेप्शन एरिया. रात को भी हम यहीं पे चिल कर रहे थे और आज सुबह यहीं पे काम करूँगी मैं. गुड मॉर्निंग. माय फेवरेट इडली, वड़ा, सांबर, चटनी. Going now.
Going for a hike. Really excited. Hopefully there's no sun because she said that there should not be any sun.
Why?
I have no idea, but we'll ask her where she's taking us. It's very beautiful apparently, and I'm really excited.
आज सुबह वर्कआउट तो नहीं किया तो अभी हाइक के बहाने वर्कआउट भी हो जाएगी.
Yes, ma'am.
I think I will be waking up early tomorrow because it's so beautiful. और मुझे यहाँ पे योगा करना है.
We are waking up at 5 o'clock for meditation.
Maybe before that, I will wake up and do some
No,
workout,
you should
exercise.
you should do yoga after the meditation because फिर आपको 3 बजे उठना पड़ेगा, 4 बजे उठना पड़ेगा.
देखते हैं. Look at this. Look at my shoulders.
It feels like we are. It feels like we're in a White Lotus resort.
Yeah.
It's very beautiful. It's such a lush green space, and it's like massive. So we're really excited to. हर चीज़ में excitement क्यों है? ज़रा इनका outfit दिखाओ. Outfit check.
For trekking.
ये सुबह जी पहन रहा है ये ट्रैकिंग के लिए.
This is my training fit.
Fit
So
check.
short
Let's
kurta,
go.
H&M,
And this is
and my Kolhapuri.
and then I'll change.
Okay. We're doing the entry bit right now. It's
Yeah.
one day late, but we're still doing it.
इतना क्यों शर्मा रहे भाई? शादी में है.
स्वाद खा कापुन खा. Show us what's inside the bag.
There's this book. Connect, create, celebrate.
Oh, it's a nice journal.
Yeah. Then there is some kind of
It's a pamphlet
pamphlet
with an
kind of
intro.
thing.
Okay.
Even this is a pamphlet. There's meditation mask. Wow.
It's a meditation mask.
Yeah.
I thought it was a sleeping mask.
No, that's a
so
meditation
cool.
mask. Then there is bottle.
It's a tumbler. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, and the bag is organic, is what she said.
Yeah.
Is that it?
And then there is this
ID. Okay.
participant card. That's it.
That's really
I
nice.
love the bag. This is a jute bag.
I love the design.
Yeah.
We're ready, set to go for the hike now.
Yeah. We
I
have
love
got
the mala.
ourselves
It's so
Tulsi
good.
mala. Yeah, even I love this one.
With
It's 108 beads so that we can use in like our meditation, also chanting meditation if you want.
Yeah, we can actually use it. Tulsi mala hai kya?
Yeah, it's Tulsi mala.
No wonder.
Pyramid
it's so
Valley International. I love this. Your eternal spiritual home to meditate. Going for a hike now, a mini hike on that mountain top. वहाँ मेरा बटलर पीछे मेरे लिए छाता लेके आ रहा है. भैया जरा छाता खोल के आओ तो जरा धूप लग रही है मुझे. पूल एरिया ये पहाड़ों के नीचे है. इतना सुंदर लग रहा है ये. आएंगे यहाँ पे भी एक दिन, आएंगे चिल करने. आ रहे भैया आ रहे. more that we are going up, ये और better होते जा रहा है. So pretty.
Pyramid is also looking nice.
Yeah. It's the mountain top, guys, and it's so pretty here. इतनी अच्छी हवा चल रही है, धूप भी नहीं है. We're back to our Shivji.
Yes.
We'll be chilling here for a while and then we'll head for some lunch because इतना hike करके अब भूख लग गई है.
बहुत ज़्यादा ही भूख लगी
What
है.
is this red?
Yes. But it's so serene. यहाँ पे बहुत calm feel हो रहा है, बहुत
Very
relaxed
peaceful.
feel हो रहा है. Especially भोले के सामने तो और मज़ा आ रहा है. हम बैठे हैं बस काम कर रहे हैं, हमारा चिल कर रहे हैं हम यहाँ पे, और थोड़ा प्रे भी कर लिया हमने. बस तो अभी देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्या है आगे. रियली एक्साइटेड फॉर एवरीथिंग. द अमाउंट ऑफ एक्साइटेड आई हैव सेड द टर्म आई यूज्ड इज इनसेन, बट वी रियली आर फुल विद आवर हार्ट एट द मोमेंट. वी जस्ट processing everything slowly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. It's very serene, as you can see.
What time is it?
I think it's at 3 o'clock.
No,
It's 1
currently it's
right
1.
now.
No, so I think we
I think
should
we should
eat
head
right
now,
now so that by 3 our food is digested and then we can
Yeah,
meditate.
at least we need an hour to
Yeah.
for it to rest in our bodies.
Yes. Let's go. Let's get going. Let's get going.
Let's get going, guys.
बाय बाय. चलो अब हम वापस नीचे की तरफ जा रहे हैं और ये और सुंदर होता जाएगा. I was at that spot, guys. Yeah, this one. Oh, look at this 5x. I can see my friends coming down. Look how far we are. But I could zoom in them. Now I'm down going back to my hotel. And I'll take a quick shower because it was too hot. I'll have my lunch. I've loaded my plate with some roti sabzi, dal rice and salad.
मैडम की 2 प्लेट है.
हाँ, ये दोनों मेरी प्लेट है.
हमारी एक ही है.
और ये लड़की ने यहाँ पे घी भरा हुआ है जो इसको पूरा खाना पड़ेगा. You cannot waste this ghee
Bro, I literally put this.
because this is very organic.
I'll put this and this. I'll also use it in rice.
Yeah.
How you know that's organic?
ये भाई साहब भर रहे हैं छाछ अपने टूटे हुए हाथ से.
Oh shit.
मैं जब पिताजी का देहांत हुआ था तब मैं सीए इंटर की पढ़ाई कर रहा था और फिर मैंने
I am back from my meditation session. नहा लिया है मैंने, फ्रेश हो गई हूँ मैं. एंड बारिश भी हो रही है यहाँ पे, काफ़ी अच्छा वेदर है. ये है मेरा व्यू, इतना सुंदर. थोड़ा सा काम कर लिया जाए और फिर देखेंगे क्या प्लान्स है आगे के. Going for
and we're also
dinner.
going for like a soulful night with Saroj. We're really excited for that.
Yes.
The amount of excitement, you know.
I had prepared a lot of outfit for this night, but then कुछ भी नहीं बनाया मैंने, सिर्फ ऐसे ही नाइट ड्रेस पहन के आ गई.
आज हमारी हालत नहीं है कि हम रेडी हो जाए क्योंकि हम स्विमिंग पूल से आके आए हैं, तो हम थक चुके हैं. ये भाई रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. For the boys, show the guys and the girls.
After dinner we are going to come here for this fire ceremony. अभी हम लिख रहे हैं एक piece of paper पे जो भी हमें let go करना है, and we are going to put that in the fire so that this year we can let go of that emotion or a person. I don't know what they are thinking.
I'm gonna write about my ex.
Oh my god. What are you going to write about? Something that you want to let go of.
Let go of. I can't think of anything because I'm doing great in life. Touch wood. So maybe I can work on better communication so I can write something related to that.
Yeah.
You know,
But you have to let go.
yeah, to let go in terms of, you know, the.
तू सोच ले. I want to let go of any resistance that I have in my life which is stopping me to grow to my best potential.
सिर्फ यही लिख रही है.
Yeah. And overthinking.
सर आपने क्या लिखा? I know the answer. Huh? Ego. Oh damn! I thought he said he must have written his ex's name.
ये सब लिख के थोड़ी नाम थोड़ी खराब करना है, रेपफायर का नाम नहीं खराब करना।
I can't get enough. No, I can't get
Such a lovely place.
Such a lovely face
आगे का नहीं आता.
at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise. You can find it here.
हाथ हिल हो गया, हाथ हिल हो गया भाई, प्लास्टर वाले फेंकने वाला है।
Good night. We are headed towards our room now. We are done with our dinner and some music and meditation. Now we are going back to the room.